Today in this video, I'm going to be talking about the top 7 outsourcing sites for your affiliate marketing business. And I'm not really sure why I'm holding this mic. I'm just going to set it down here. We're starting right now. What's up, guys? And my name is John, and if this is the very first time you come to my channel, I want to welcome you here. On this channel, we teach you all about entrepreneurship, making money online, as well as affiliate marketing. So if that interests you, definitely subscribe to the channel, click the notifications so you don't miss any of my future videos. Now, guys, in this video today, like I said, we're going to be going over the top 7 outsourcing sites. As an affiliate marketer, as an internet marketer, there's tons of things that you're going to be doing at some point, and you're going to need to get some help. You're going to want to outsource your websites or content creation or customer support, and you need to know where to go. And in this video today, I'm giving you the top 7 outsourcing sites that you can actually use for your affiliate marketing business, your online business, and for whatever else you need it for. All right, guys, so I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the video and going to be talking about the top 7 outsourcing sites, and these aren't in any particular order. I'm just going to go ahead and just kind of roll through them and kind of give you a little bit of information about each site. So this may not come to a surprise to anybody watching this video, but the first website is Fiverr.com. Now, Fiverr is one of the world's largest marketplaces to hire freelancers for your projects. They actually have over 3 million gigs in about 150 different service categories, starting for just $5. So, I mean, there's plenty of outsourcers on Fiverr. This is probably one of my favorite outsourcing websites that I get a ton of stuff done from. So you can get anything from website designs to article writing to your thumbnails done to flyers to basically anything you want. You can get music created here on Fiverr, and it's extremely cheap, and you find really good quality work. So number 2 on the list is 99 Designs. Now, 99 Designs is one of the #1 marketplaces for all of your branding needs. So from like logo designing or to developing a full-fledged branding identity pack, 99 Design is the perfect place to hire professional graphics designers for your branding needs. Now with 99 Designs, you can either hire a specific designer to go ahead and do your work, or you can actually do a contest to have many designers basically weigh in on your creative project, and then you can actually just choose the one that you like the best, and then you would actually pay that actual designer. So number 3 is Upwork, and Upwork is a global freelancing platform. The company has over 2 million skilled freelancers from all around the world with over 100 different service categories. So now with Upwork, it actually allows you to post your project with the requirements on the website, and then it actually matches your project with a list of freelancers that specialize in that exact field, and then it would actually give you that list of candidates that you can kind of sift and sort through. It also gives you the option to go ahead and search for the different freelancers yourself, so you have full autonomy to go in and search for the freelancers, but they will kind of match up your project with the freelancers that they have on the website. Number 4 on the list is a website called TopTow. And TopTow is a rapidly growing network of the top 3% of the most thoroughly screened, talented freelancers in the world. So these freelancers that are on TopTow, they're not just, anybody can't just sign up for this website. You have to be vetted and screened to actually be on this website. And since TopTow focuses on providing the best freelancers in the world, the platform is a bit pricey. So compared to other platforms where you don't have to pay anything to post a job, there is a mandatory $500 that you would have to deposit to even post a project and get someone to actually take a look at your project. So again, these are the top tier freelancers. You can't even post a job without paying a $500 deposit. So they're vetted, they're screened, and they do amazing work. So if you have a little bit more of a budget, you can go ahead and check out TopTow. So number 5 on the list is Freelancer at Freelancer.com, and it's one of the oldest freelance marketplaces that I know of. And it's one of those websites where you can actually, post a contest, and you can have multiple freelancers kind of bid on your project, or you can also sift and sort through Freelancer, and you can actually choose someone that you want to work on your project. And again, they do everything from web development to graphics design to article writing to customer service to data entry. Anything you need, you can find on Freelancer.com. So number 6 on the list is Guru, and you can get there by going to Guru.com. And they've been around for a very long time. They've been around since 1998, and they have over 3 million freelancers worldwide. And I mean, they have everything from programmers and developers, designers, artists, writers, translators. They even have secretaries and lawyers on Guru.com. So basically, there's everything there for you. You can find almost anything that you need in terms of outsourcing. They do have an easy payment platform where you actually kind of just pay milestones. So as portions of your project get done, you can release certain amounts of money. So you're actually getting the work done while you are actually paying. So you're not just paying all your money up front. You pay in intervals as the work gets completed. So last but not least on the list is number 7, and it's Online Jobs PH. Online Jobs PH, and this is a actual Filipino website, and you actually be outsourcing to individuals that live in the Philippines. And what's cool about this website is that the dollar goes a very long way in the Philippines. So here, in the Philippines, you can actually see, we looked at some of these profiles here. You can see that this person here does data entry in a virtual assistant, and basically for $485 US, you can actually have a full-time employee that works for you like 40 hours a week. So this is really cool. There's a lot of talent here. They speak very good English, so you can get anybody from like to do social media or graphic designs or website development or any type of customer support. You can find here at Filipino onlinejobs.ph, and you can just go up here and just kind of search through the jobs that you want, and you can actually find somebody that will work for you 40 hours a week, basically, for a few $100s a month. You can get a full-time employee. So I know a lot of marketers that hire, overseas because the dollar is just so cheap. So this was another website that I wanted to show you guys. All right, guys. So that was my top 7 outsourcing sites for your affiliate marketing business. So definitely go back through this video and look at some of the different websites that I talked about. Check them out, vet them for yourself, look at reviews, look at their previous work that they've done. But I like to share this information with you guys because at some point in your online marketing business, and maybe even early on in your online business, if there's something that you're not good at, it may just be best to go ahead and outsource these things, because why struggle through something or fumble with something that's not going to be your best? If you can outsource it and you can do it for cheap, why not do that? Because there's people that do certain skills very well. They're very efficient at it. You can actually get a lot of this stuff done very, very cheap, and it doesn't really take a lot of your time. And then you can use your time to be more productive with like the bigger picture and like really figuring out the productivity that's going to help put dollars into your pocket. So that's all I got for today, guys. Make sure you check out the #1 recommendation to make money online in the description below. And that's all I got for you. John from JohnMcNeil.com. Peace.